Hi friends, it's Naina again from Archer and Olive's ambassador team, and I'm also known as Twitcherites on all the social media platforms. Welcome back. Today's video is all about scrapbooking and how I'm gonna use this beautiful new journal of mine and turn it into a scrapbook and keep my memories inside. So basically using the journal as a scrapbook for memory keeping. While my theme is a bit nostalgic today, but you can go ahead and pick any theme of your choice and make the similar layout. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by decorating the first page of my journal. I love doing this. I'm just using some alphabet stickers that I have that came with the whole nostalgic collection. And I'm writing my name with all the different fonts. And I think this is such a fun way to decorate your initials page. This just took me about 2 or 3 minutes and I finished with my name and I added a few more stickers around it. You can also refer to my blog post for more details which is related to this video you're watching today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more journaling related videos. And I'm done with my first page and I'm so happy how it looks. It's so colorful and nostalgic. Moving on to the main page we're going to create together today, and I have picked up a picture of my cat which I will show you in a moment. But firstly, I'm just creating a border or kind of like a frame using the washi tapes from Archer and Olive. And we will work inside this square box. I'm just getting rid of all the excess washi tape using a knife. And now to add some colors, I decided to use this adorable smiley face washi tape also from Archer and Olive, and I think it looks so cute. I'm kind of like making a banner on both the smiley face washi tapes. Next, I picked up my notepad with different color papers and I'm just thinking which paper I would need with the whole layout. So I'm just picking out a few pages and seeing what will go best. And now about the picture, I use this cute little photo printer where I print all my pictures on, but of course you can use your normal printer to print out any picture that you want in your layout. And I'm gonna use this cute little picture of my cat. She's Kiki and she's adorable. So I love this picture of hers and I wanted to use it today. I decided to stick it on a black piece of paper. Again, I'm using the notepad by Archer and Olive, and I'm just gonna cut it out and we'll see how it looks with all the other pages and how it looks on my layout. And I decided to make the edges a bit smaller and then maybe add some sort of a pattern or some border around the image. Now, does this happen to you when you're making the whole layout? You have it in your mind, the things you want to do in a specific way, but you then change it later. So this is what's going to happen here. I kind of made like a stitch line, which I will replace it with something else like this because I wanted to mimic it with the washi tape that we have on the border. So I think it looks pretty cute. So I just used like a white acrylograph and I made those white boxes and we have that cute pattern. Now my picture is very cute though, but it's very flat, but I want that more of like a scrapbooky look and more three-dimensional, and I decided to use this paper which will go under my first layer. And then also I'm not gonna use the green paper because I thought the black paper would rather look nicer because of the whole theme that we are going for. So I'm just gonna use another black layer under the second layer and we're gonna do the same thing here and create a more three-dimensional look. And just working with the placement here, how the picture's gonna go, how the layer's gonna go. So just do it now and see how the whole thing's gonna look. Now at this point I start thinking about where I want my stamps to go, so I'm gonna use this cute little leaves, kind of like iconic Archer and Olive leaves if I can say. To use these acrylic stamps we would need an acrylic block, an ink pad, and of course the stamp itself, so you'll see in a moment. And I love stamping. I think it's such a fun way to fill up your page without taking a lot of your time. And I'm just gonna place this leaf on the acrylic block, and then I'm gonna see where I wanna stamp my leaves. So I'm thinking they're gonna come from under the picture. And before doing that, I think the whole picture with all the layers, they look really nice. So I decided to just glue them all together. Next, I'm just tracing out the whole picture so that I know where I have to stamp and which parts are gonna show and which are not gonna show. And now let's stamp our leaves. So I'm carefully dabbing the stamp on the ink pads, and then I just see where my line is, and I'm gonna stamp it right here, and I think I'm gonna stamp it one more time under it. And we will do the same on the other side. And now we place the picture where we want it to be, and I think it's looking super cute already. And now we finally glue it on top of the paper and where we positioned it on top of the stamps. And now the last few steps, which are super simple. I'm just adding few more stickers here and there, and then I'm also gonna use some stickers which says her name Kiki, using the same alphabet stickers which we used on our first page. Now this is already looking pretty cute, and you can stop here if you want, but I'm just gonna add a few more stamps and stickers in the end, you will see, and then we are done with the whole look of the page, and I think it's super cute. So I hope today I gave you some ideas of using your new journal which you truly love but you don't know what to use it for. So this is a super fun way to use that precious journal of yours and turn it into a memory keeping journal, which I think is so amazing. And you can always go and look back to all the amazing memories that you drafted in it, and I think that's amazing. And here are some of the other pages that I made in my scrapbooking journal, and I hope it will give you more ideas and inspiration to create your own layout. Again, head over to our blog and see more pictures of all these layouts which I'm sharing with you today, and you can have a detailed look of all these layouts I shared. And visit archandolive.com for more blogs, more inspiration, and all the lovely products they have. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you guys next time.